guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site naman tayong pagkakitaan. Ito ang trxthrone.club. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-sign up or register dito sa ating site? Ilagay lamang ating email, login password, and then yung ating security password. So once na na-fill up pa natin siya guys, nandito yung ating invite code, then click natin itong sign up. So yun nga guys, na once na nakapag-sign up at register na tayo at nakapag-login, merong latest announcement sa atin dito si trxthrone.club. So, TRX Throne Mining, TTM, most stable, most reputable, most efficient, and most efficient investment platform in time. Registered to get 1,888 TRX. The highest daily profit is as high as 18%. Registration bonus, referral commission up to 18% commission, basic wallet investment income ratio, the minimum deposit is 5 TRX and the daily withdrawal is 10%, accumulated deposit of 5 to 29,999 TRX, daily withdrawal is 10%, and then accumulated deposit is 30,000 to 999 and 999 TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 12%. The cumulative deposit is 100,000 to 499 and 999 TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 14%. And the accumulative deposit is 500,000 to 999 and 999 TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 16%. The cumulative deposit is 1 million to 9999999 TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 18%. The higher the accumulated recharge amount, the higher the rate of return. This is a long-term stable income. Looking forward to your joining. Refer more user by adding your promotion link. You will get more commission reward. The bonus can be withdrawn immediately, no limit. So customer service is t.me/ttmcs1, and then TTM channel link t.me/thronetrxminingttm. So yun nga guys, na once na nakapag-login tayo sa ating site, merong total balance natin dito sa TRX Throne Mining na 1,800 TRX. So matungo tayo dito sa ating trading. So yun guys, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating trading, we have here the trading profit. Cloud mining is working positive 5% BIP1. And then magtungo tayo sa ating TRX. So yun guys, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating TRX, we have here the BIP level. So ang current level natin is BIP1. And then we have here the level, deposit, quantity, income, and the daily withdrawal. So BIP1, 0 to 29,999.99. Deposit quantity is income of 5%, and the daily withdrawal is 10%. And then BIP2, 30,000 to 99 and 999.99. Deposit quantity, income 6%, and the daily withdrawal is at 12%. And then BIP3, 100,000 to 499,000 and 999.99. Deposit quantity, income of 8%, and the daily withdrawal is 14%. And then BIP4 is deposit quantity of 500,000 to 9,999 and 999.99, and the income is 10%, and the daily withdrawal is 16%. And then the SBIP, the deposit quantity of 1,000,000 to 9,999,999,999, and the income is 12%, and the daily withdrawal is 18%. So if you have any question, please contact our customer service. So yun guys, magtungo tayo sa ating share. So yun guys, paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn na rewards dito sa ating site? So kailangan lang natin i-copy itong ating referral link, and then i-share natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram, at Messenger, and then sa ating mga contact and friends para makapag-earn tayo ng ating rewards. So nandito rin yung ating QR code, and then yung ating invite code na 3377 and 66. So magtungo tayo sa ating mine. So yun nga guys, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating mine, we have here the BIP1, then our total balance is 1,800 TRX, and we have here the deposit and withdrawal. So TRX deposit quantity, recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. So, paano nga ba tayo makapag-deposit dito sa ating site? So, yun muna ituturo ko sa inyo guys. Na-click lang natin na ating deposit. So, yun guys, once na naklik natin deposit, we have here the address. Ito yung copy address natin. So, kailangan lang natin itong i-copy and then ipipaste natin siya sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit dito sa ating site. So, kailangan mo natin mag-withdraw dun sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit dito. So, magtungo tayo sa ating Binance account. So, yun nga guys, nandito na tayo sa ating Binance account. So, magtungo tayo sa ating wallet. Then, withdraw. Then, TRX. And then, send via crypto network. So, yun nga guys, na meron ditong send TRX and then yung ating address and then amount. So, kailangan natin long press and i-paste natin yung ating kinapin na address, kinapin natin na link dun sa ating site. And then i-paste lang natin siya guys and then i-input lang natin yung ating desired amount na ating withdrawin dito sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit dun sa ating site. So yun guys, na-paste na natin yung ating link na galing sa ating site and then yung ating desired amount. Click lang natin itong withdrawal. Confirm. Then may warning siya guys. Now after withdrawal is complete, the asset will be transferred to the recipient address. Please make sure you have entered the correct address and please make sure that you fully understand how the assets are used and the possible risks involved. Beware of pyramid schemes, illegal fundraising, and scams. So, kailangan lang natin i-check itong I fully understand the potential risks associated with asset withdrawal and confirm that I would like to continue withdrawing my asset. So, click lang natin yan and then click confirm. So nga guys, na may verification tayo, no? Merong code na mag-send sa ating cellphone number at Gmail. So, click lang natin itong send code para ma-receive natin yung verification code. And then, i-input natin siya, guys. So, nga guys, no, once na paste na natin yung ating mga code na nag-send sa ating cellphone number at Gmail, click lang natin itong ating submit. So, nga guys, na request submitted na nga yung ating withdraw dito sa ating site. So, kailangan lang natin i-check sa ating site kung talagang pumasok yung ating dineposit doon sa ating site. So, magtungo tayo sa ating site. So, nga guys, nandito tayo sa ating site. So, talagang pumasok nga yung ating dineposit sa ating Binance account. So, ang total balance natin ngayon is 1,805 TRX. So, magtungo naman tayo sa ating withdrawal. Paano nga ba mag-withdraw dito sa ating site? So, click natin ito withdrawal. So, yan guys, so once na-click natin yung withdrawal, we have here the basic account balance, 24-hour withdrawal. So, ang total balance natin is 1,805 TRX. So, ang daily withdrawal limit is 0.50 TRX. So, 0.50 TRX left to withdraw today. So, basic account, and then yung quota, address, and then yung security password. Yung quota, guys, is yung desired amount na inyong withdrawin sa inyong site. So, i-fill up pa na natin siya, guys. So, yun nga, guys, na napila pa na natin, nalagay natin yung desired amount, and then yung ating wallet address. So, yung itong wallet address kasi yung galing sa ating Binance account, doon papasok yung ating withdrawin dito sa ating site and then yung ating security password. So, once na pila pa natin guys, click natin itong confirm. So, yun na nga, submitted successfully and then bumawas na nga yung ating withdraw dito sa ating site. So, ang total balance na lang natin is 1,804.50. So yan guys, na magtungo naman tayo sa ating Binance account para i-check kung talagang pumasok yung ating withdraw dito sa ating site. So yan guys, nandito tayo sa ating Binance account. So magtungo tayo sa ating wallet para i-check kung talagang pumasok yung ating withdraw sa ating site at na-deposit dito sa ating Binance account. So click natin itong wallet. And then withdraw. And then yung ating pinaka-last history dito sa ating Binance account na na-deposit dito sa ating Binance account. So yun guys, na pumasok na talaga yung ating withdraw dun sa ating site na 0.50 TRX. So completed na siya guys, no? So napaka-legit talaga ng ating site. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-register na kayo at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell button para mas update.